Hey friends, if you wish to improve battery life on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. First of all, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for batteries. Right click on the first one to update the adapters drivers and the second one to update the battery drivers. For the next solution, right click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to System, select Power and Battery. Wait for it to load. It needs a while, and once it loads, then you can manage the energy recommendations, but it needs a while to load, so we will wait. Then go to energy recommendations and then click on apply all, and then you can go to power mode and then change it to the best power efficiency one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.